Okay. Verify that project has implemented appropriate program for safety reviews. Evaluate the address relation. This is done. So this is there are various cycles are there, and there is no commissioning. So Nazim, for commissioning, there is no commissioning, right? I will remove the commissioning word itself. Right?
Yeah, exactly. There is no commissioning.
Yeah, sure. Verify alignment between the construction and installation. There is no installation, so no construction, only construction, no major concern, no concern, no.
Yeah, but still there is handover sequence is there, like partially handovering the project.
Yeah, alignment.
Which is, but there is no concern on that. It's no HSE concerns.
Okay.
Yeah.
So handover procedure is there, right?
Yeah, handover sequence is there. Yeah.
Oh, let us keep it. Let us keep it. So you have a handover procedure number or document? Dual.
Yes.
Procedure?
Handover procedure. Let me check with the whole team.
Review the procedure for proper handling and disposal of effluent. There is no effluent. No process.
Not process. Actually,